All right, Indy. Here you go. Indy, look over here. There it is. Can you pick it up? All right, you have to get it in your mouth. Let's see. Did you do it? There's another one. All right, let's see. That one's in your sleeve. Did you get that one? That one stuck to your hand. 0 for 2. All right, round 2. There you go. All right. Can you eat it? You dropped it. All right. There's another one. Don't choke on your hand, silly. Are you okay?